to my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Today I am finally sharing an outfit lookbook. I know it's been a while since I've done this, and obviously for good reasons. I was sharing very important messages that I felt needed to be heard first. And so today I want to style my capsule wardrobe for you guys. Basically, I'm going to be styling the outfits or the items that I have in my Project 333 collection. And my hope with this video is to inspire you to do the same and to use what you already have. I think that having a capsule wardrobe and using what we already have is one of the best ways to live sustainably and with intention. So obviously it's really helping to reduce those waste piles that are being thrown into the landfills every single second. A capsule wardrobe is great for this because it's basically a collection of truly loved items that are versatile and timeless. So they're not things that you switch out constantly and that go to donation or that get recycled all the time. It is a collection that you wear all the time and that you make sure is used to its fullest extent. So the clothing that I have behind me and also in a little pile off to the side are some of the items within that 33 collection that I have. I am currently doing Project 333. I started it in January, and so I'm almost a month and a half in, and basically I have 33 items in my wardrobe. That is it, and I'm using every single piece. So with this video, I want to show you how many outfits I can actually create from those pieces. Obviously, these are not all of the different outfit combinations. They're just the ones that I gravitate towards the most. And I think that it's a good idea of how much possibility there is within our wardrobes, especially if you're intentional about the pieces that you own. So with that being said, let's hop right into the outfits. friends, those are some of my outfit ideas within my capsule wardrobe for the winter season. These can also be worn in the fall season depending on what type of weather you have in your city, but for me, I think that this wardrobe in specific is really great for both fall and winter, just because I do have a variety of different layers that I can put on top of each other, and there are also tons of different materials that I'm working with as well. So there's a lot of versatility within this collection, and my hope for you is that you will be able to create a collection like this on your own and really reuse those pieces that you've got in your closet already. Before I close out this video, I want to know which outfit was your favorite from all of the ones within this video. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below because I do post every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.